问题啊。Anything you want to ask him or?
I know that.
In the water, he's the fastest man from China. 他在水里世界上最快的，也是我们中国这个世界上在陆地上最快的。
I don't even know what to ask.
他不知道该问你。
I'm sort of speechless today.
对，我也不太知道，我只觉得我们两个就是都是比较年轻的运动员，今后还有很大的发展空间，就是希望彼此能够互相鼓励、互相激励。对，我觉得。当然，这次能够出席比赛，这次活动和菲尔普斯一起牵手，真的挺高兴的，也没有这个荣幸吧。就希望我们将来越来越好，就千万不要受伤。对，明年08年奥运会就快到了，希望有很好的展望，也希望大家能够在08年奥运会有很好的表现。
We're both young athletes, and thanks for Visa for bringing us together. I think this is for athlete to athletes. It's always good to support each other and challenge each other. And the biggest wish is next year's 08. We can all stay healthy, no injuries, so we can all perform our personal best during the game.
I agree. So you said it perfectly. Yeah, I mean it's good to have somebody like Visa helping us out to have us accomplish help us accomplish our goals. And yeah, I mean it's definitely an honor to be able to meet you, and I hope to see you next year in Beijing.
他说你说的太好了，他自己没法说。他说这个非常感谢维森能把我们大家带到一起。他说，希望你明年那个在北京能够看见你，你明年北京能够我们大家能够表现自己的最好。
争取，反正就是明年奥运会，其实每个奥运选手都想把自己最好水平就发挥出来，就包括我们俩一样。那希望他明年能够拿更多的金牌，破更多的纪录。但是说实话，我破纪录比他好像稍微困难一点，没有他这么容易。但是我也会全力以赴，尽力而为，竭尽所能。希望明年在家门口有个好的表现。
So hopefully that we can, for every athlete, our dream is to perform our very best during the games, and hope you have also a good year next year to break more world records. Although it's more difficult for him to break the world record than it's for you, but for him, especially, at the home ground, on the home ground, that's there's added incentive for him to do his personal best.
All right. Good luck. 谢谢。
祝你好运，谢谢。
Thank you.
你的100米能够游多少？这个
没游过。
I'm asking how fast he can swim 100 meters freestyle.
对，因为我们这肌肉类型都不一样。
对。With different muscle types.
We do. He can run faster. I can swim faster.
他能游得快的人，能跑得快的。So maybe you should do a competition. You swim 100, you run 100 meters, and he swims 100 meters. See who's faster. 没准让他去跑100米，你游100米，看谁快。
还是
OK，好了吧，Thank you。